My name is Amanda Olenwine, and I work in the Bear Room at the Goddard School in Gaithersburg, and I teach kindergarten.
The scientific method are steps that scientists follow when they are going to do an experiment.
The STEM program in general, obviously we do science, technology, engineering, and math, and the technology I think is the biggest part with the world that we live in. They're using these types of technology, and then when they come to school they can show us what they already know, we can teach them more. We have smart boards, we have tablets, we have robots, and the kids are more interested in building a circuit and watching a light bulb turn on than they are in pencil and paper.
Will our robot move without wheels? No.
My favorite thing about teaching here at the Goddard School is just the innocence of the children. They're so happy to be in school. They're so happy to hear the new things that they're going to do, the technology we're going to use. There's so much support and so much fun here that, the children are always going to meet their goals.
Very good job, Ayla. 7 minus 4 equals 3.
Miss Olenwine is a fantastic teacher. I think her passion and her dedication to teaching has just continued to grow with every year that she's been here. She loves her children, she differentiates her instruction, and she works well with those around her as well.
Amanda has a nice mixture of warm, but also she can be very direct with the children, keep a really good control over the class. She has a wide mixture of personalities and abilities in the kindergarten class, and she is fabulous about differentiating for each child.
Well, it's a great validation for Amanda herself. I mean, she's a fantastic teacher, and it's just really something very, very special for her. And we're thrilled. We're thrilled to have a Teacher of the Year on our faculty.